Hi, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel and this new video about one of the most beautiful beaches in the world, Lopes Mendes Beach in Brazil. I am so excited to take you on a walking tour and show you the hidden beauty of this place. Please take a few seconds to like this video and leave a comment about what you like the most about Lopes Mendes Beach. As I walk along the shore, I am mesmerized by the breathtaking views of this beach, the golden sands, and the lush green color of the vegetation set against the turquoise sea. The sun gives the beach a special glow, making it seem like it's taken straight out of a postcard. I come to a small fishing village at the edge of the beach and can feel its calm and peaceful atmosphere. The locals live a simple life, and it is a true pleasure to observe them as they go about their everyday activities. There is something truly inspiring about a place like this. Further down the beach, I come to a viewpoint which offers a stunning panorama. The gentle waves break on the shore and the palm trees sway with the breeze. Standing here, I feel like I'm at the edge of the world, and I can just take in the beauty of this mesmerizing place. I spend some time here and then make my way back to the small village, but instead of taking the same route back, I decide to go off the beaten path and explore the area. I follow the creeks and little rivers until I reach a small waterfall. This is such a peaceful spot, and the cool water flowing from the waterfall refreshes my body after a long day of walking. Finally, I make my way back to the beach and I'm overwhelmed with the beauty that surrounds me. These few hours on the beach were magical, and I hope that you enjoyed this virtual walking tour as much as I did. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to keep up with my latest videos.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.